Tired of wrestling with your and PlayStation accounts? Today, we're going to swiftly disconnect your PlayStation Network account from your Electronic Arts account, fixing those pesky link-up problems or helping you take control of your account connections. Let's get started. First, head over to the EA Help website on your computer or phone by searching for it on Google. Look for the official EA Help website for the correct URL. Next, you will need to log into your EA account using your email address and password associated with your EA account. Make sure it is not the PSN account before logging in. If you've forgotten your password, there is an option to reset it. After logging in, navigate to your account settings. This usually involves clicking a profile icon and selecting account settings or something similar. Now you're on the right track. Within your account settings, you'll see several options. Find the Connections tab. This section lists all your connected accounts, including your PlayStation Network account, which should be visible. Locate your PlayStation Network account listing within the Connections section. You should see either a Manage or Unlink option next to your PSN account. Click on the Unlink option. You'll likely encounter a confirmation screen asking if you're sure you wish to disconnect your accounts. Carefully read any prompts before proceeding and then confirm your choice. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your PlayStation Network account is now unlinked from your EA account. If you encounter issues, double-check your credentials and ensure you're logged into the correct EA account. If you still encounter issues, look on the EA Help website or any other help outlets for further troubleshooting steps or customer support to help with account issues.